Alright guys, how you doing? Hey, this is Studio Radio. Another video vlog of my home improvement at my house. As you can see, I got a Apple air conditioner at my house today. They're going to be installing my brand new mini split system. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of what's going on, what I got going in. Alright, this is just an overview. This is not a how-to. I just want to share what's going on with it. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright guys, as you can see, the guys are setting up my system now. They're putting up the stand. This isn't going on the outside, on the side of the house, along with my unit that's over there. Alright, I'm getting a mini split, 2 mini splits, and a mini duct system, split system for the upstairs. Alright, so the guys over here laying it out on everything they're doing. Alright, so just take a look at what I'm getting here. Alright, I'm getting the Mitsubishi here system. Alright, and let me show you guys. So if I can bring this over and let you guys see what's going on. And this is the system I'm getting here. I'll try to flip this over if I get a chance. Alright, this is the split system heat pump. Alright. There. Alright.
Gas pump to use?
Yeah. Alright guys, here we go. I'm showing the little mini split that'll be going into my man cave along with my den area. Again, over here I'm prepping the stand where my condenser will be sitting on top of. We're gonna take a walk around my my home right now, and we're gonna see what they're prepping. This is a very labor-intensive, I guess, operation. You can see those whites are the Freon lines that's gonna be going from the unit up through my attic, dropping on the opposite side of my house, along attaching to the split unit that's located in my attic. Here you can see they drilled the hole. Very minor hole going in, so that'll be attaching to the current unit that's in my man cave, and this is the electrical line that'll be going to the condenser. A lot of piping in regards to where you want to put your unit. I wanted my unit only on one side, the condenser. I didn't want pipes running all over the place. This is I consider my utility patio, and I like to keep it a nice, clean, professional look. It's a little more expensive, a little more materials, but again, I'm looking for a nice clean installation. And this is Apple out here in Long Island that's doing my my work, and they're doing it very well. So let's take a look on the other things they'll be doing for me. Again, this is condenser, this is Mitsubishi system, and yeah, it's looking good so far. Just a little behind the scenes. When you come off your mini split, you need a line for the water to run. So that's running in, tying into my existing water pump. That'll pump it away into the stop sink. The refrigerating line is gonna come through here and out into that hole along with the electrical line. So these guys are tying everything in now, getting it done. Going pretty quick with it too. That's when you get a professional know what they're doing. They'll knock it out real quick for you. As you can see now, the guys are fishing in my what do you call it again?
Line set.
Huh?
Line set.
Line set. All right.
Copper line set.
That's why I hired a professional. So I don't know what the shit. But yeah, they're fishing in my line set in now. So, all right, guys. This is the first unit that's going in. Right here, my little mini split for the man cave. All right. That's the indoor. unit. All right. All right, guys. Right now, that line set's coming in, and he's tying into the unit right now, right there. All right. Yeah, the guys over here is playing the unit. So, you guys are just interested in what it looks like inside. This is what it looks like. Air conditioning system's come a long way. Alright. Guys, what is these things here? These are what, the copper tubings?
Yeah, your copper line sets.
Alright, these are the copper lines that are gonna be going tying everything in.
Yep.
Hey guys, it's very involved, a lot of moving parts, a lot of things that have to be put together. So this is definitely not your do-it-yourselfer. You definitely gotta call a professional to do this type of stuff. Guys, and I believe, what is this called? This is the exchange?
That is the air handler,
Oh, the air handler.
and that's the condenser.
And that's a good, all right, and it's the condenser. So yeah, all right, this is what goes outside, and this is going to be going up in the crawl space up in my house. All right, I'll give you guys a closer look on it. A little close. All right. Filter, blower, coil, and electrical. All right. All right. And the second unit is going to be going right up here. That's out there. It's going to be going in here, taking care of the new den area that I've been working on for the past few months. So it's coming along.